Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. And today I am going to be vlogging maybe today and tomorrow, tonight and tomorrow. It's nighttime right now. I'm starting the vlog now. So yeah, about different things. But thank you for joining me. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe, press that button, subscribe. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you guys. And also, don't forget to share me with your friends on your social medias, and I will send my link in the description box below. My Instagram, everything, Snapchat, all that. I will have that in my link tree, in the link below. So follow me on social medias, Instagram, definitely follow me there. And thank you for joining me. I appreciate you guys. The seasoned chicken drumsticks with turmeric, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and sazon. Hello you guys, this is the chicken that I am cooking for tonight's dinner. I am frying it, and I'm going to put barbecue sauce on it and then put it in the oven. Sort of like a Dallas BBQ type of thing, which is barbecue fried chicken. So yeah, this is the dinner. This was some yellow rice and veggies. So that's dinner. Good morning you guys. This is the next day. Today I am once again not doing too much. Like my decoration in the background. I love skulls. Skulls are my favorite. And not just because of Halloween, no. I love skulls so much. But anyway, I am about to make me a smoothie soon. But first, I am going to go bring my daughter's laptop to her school. Because her email is not working. So the school has to fix it. So, one more thing I have to do. What else? And that's about it for right now, I think. But yeah, so I hope you guys are having a good day. You hear the TV in the background. I'm watching the Kardashians. That's what I mostly watch. That and Lifetime and Netflix. But yeah. So, and Power, I love Power, and Empire. I'm a TV buff, but anyway, but yeah, so I have to do that, take her laptop to the school, see what's going on with her email, so she needs to do her work. You like my pink walls? I'm gonna change things around again. I don't know when, but I'm gonna be moving soon. I mean, not too soon, but you know, I mean, if it's really soon, I'll be happy, but who knows when I'll be. But yeah, I'll be moving to Atlanta soon, and I cannot wait. That's going to be so much fun. Can't wait for that, to be moving to Atlanta. So, which part? Not sure yet, but I'm debating on that now. So yeah, and that's about it. So I'll be vlogging back and forth today. So there's something in my eye. I always feel like it's something on my face. But anyway, so I hope you guys having a good day. Comment below, let me know how your day been, how your week been. Don't be afraid to comment. I don't bite. So talk to you guys later. Okay, this is the frozen fruits that I use in my smoothie. I showed you guys this before in my other videos. It's so good. Melon berry pineapple is so yummy. And I also use Almond Breeze almond milk. This is the only almond milk that I drink so far. Blue Diamond. I don't drink any other almond milk. I actually haven't tried any other almond milk, but it's the only one I use. And I'm using my other fruits, tropical berry coconut, frozen fruits also. And I think frozen is much better than fresh because fresh be looking funny sometimes, and I don't trust it. And this is the finished product of my smoothie. It's so yummy. I love it. And excuse my wine glass. It has like wine stains on it, but that's how much I drink wine. But yeah, try it, guys. Okay, you guys, I'm here in the city, taking care of some business. Hey, you guys, I just finished taking care of some errands. Now I am on my way home, so I can cook for my little bambinos. Well, they're not little. My big bambinos. My big kids. It's a beautiful day out here in New York City. In the middle of October. Good morning, you guys. I'm sorry about this annoying noise that you hear in the background. That is my washing machine. But I wanted to show you guys what I'm eating this morning, which I ate the other morning, also in my other video, I believe. I think it's this, and also the other day on this one. This is my avocado. I put black pepper, onion powder, and lime. And then I put it on some toast and put a little Tabasco sauce on it. It's so freaking good. Very yummy. I love my toast crispy, crunchy. Once again, sorry about the noise in the background. But this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys had a good one. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe and share me with your friends. Have your friends subscribe, and love you guys.